Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate your support. What we got here, I want to show you. This is made by me. It was a lot of work actually. This is the green Lanter. This is the chest part from the armor. I'm building this for the shinryseries. He's my sponsor, so check out his book. I got it in the description down below. This is made out of 100% foam. It was traced from paper into this. It's a hard build because I actually tried it before I failed. It's gonna be the chest and the ab parts, and more of the lower abs, and it has a lot more parts here, so I can't really show you right now. This is just basic. I still gotta prime it. I still gotta seal it and do all these things. Do the heat part to it. I just want to show you guys that it has an actual texture. I haven't bent or anything here, guys. This was made by cuts. Depending on how you cut it, you give it the form that you want it, and it was a lot of work, the whole tracing paper and then turning it to this, because you use the paper, cut it, then trace it into the foam, and from the foam you gotta glue it, and it's a lot of work. I just want to give you a heads up of what's coming, guys. In the next video, I'm really gonna go into detail how to work with this. I'm gonna sand it because the edges and everything it's not perfect. This was cut with a knife. I should have used a X-Acto knife, but I used a blade and it gave me a lot of issues. And I really think you should use a good blade, guys, so it's less work for you. Little parts, nothing is, like I said, seal or use. This is the raw part, and I just want to show you guys so you guys can tell it's a lot of parts that they come into play. It's hard work, you know. It's not easy. Now I understand why people take so long making props. So this is the whole front part. Hopefully the next time you see it, it's gonna be into another thing. Okay guys, just wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share it, and I appreciate your support, guys. Have a good one. Peace.